Hi, YouTube. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy.
Hi, everybody. Tell them how to count.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing this cow print eye look. I'll mention where I got the inspo in the description because I can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, let's get started with this look. So to prime the eyes, I'm using a darker shade than my foundation. I got this trick from Makeup by Ariel, I believe, or Makeup by Mario, I don't remember, but they said to put down a darker base because we're going to be doing some brown in the shadow, so it just kind of creates a warm base. I'm just taking some bronzer and I'm using that in the crease. It doesn't really matter about doing this step because I covered most of it. I wasn't planning to go as high as I did, but this little shadow peeks through the inner corner and the outer corner. So next I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and I'm making 2 boxes on my eyes. I'll pop up the inspo pic right here of where I got the inspo for this look, obviously. But yeah, she's bomb, go follow her. And I'm just mapping out with the eye primer where I'm going to place this box. Next, I'm using my Mehron Paradise paints, and I'm just taking a paintbrush and I'm painting just white face paint on my eyes.
I found false hope in all kind of places, hotel rooms and temporary feelings. I put my clothes on and try to check out.
Next, I'm just taking my James Charles palette and I'm taking the white shade, I believe it's Flashback, and I'm just patting that all over the white face paint to hold it in place. This stuff is water activated and it does crease, so I set it so it doesn't. And then it's a little bit patchy, as you guys can see, so I'm going in with a second layer of both the face paint and the white eyeshadow just to make a opaque base. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner and I'm just lining my eyes to prepare for my eyelashes. Then I'm taking my NYX eyeliner because I don't want to waste this one, and this is what I'm using to create the spots. I'm just making a random little cow print polka dots all over my eyes, as you guys can see. I'll go ahead and let you guys watch. So there's not really any rhyme or rhythm, reason, whatever this thing is, to how I'm doing these little cow prints. I'm just picking wherever I want and making them as big, as weird shape as I want. I'm literally just using the eyeliner, drawing a random little squiggle and then filling it in. Next, all I have to do is go ahead and curl my lashes, apply some mascara. I use 2 mascaras. I used a Maybelline one and then the Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. And then For my lashes, I'm using Lash Dream lashes in the style Tease. As always, you guys can always save money by using my code VictoriaXO at checkout. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is the face done. I'm just fixing my hair, making a little messy pin back look. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using my favorite, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy lipstick. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to check out my Instagram for pictures of this look and all my other looks, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.